wildest trade deadline day.
About the Carmelo and Darren Williams deal is really remarkable.
Boston making 3 separate trades.
New faces are coming to the Utah Jazz.
Most activity that I can ever remember.
It is a new era for Denver Nuggets basketball.
This is a matchup of 2 teams involved in 2 of the major trades pulled off before this deadline.
Like your trades?
Yeah. So it'll work out, but it's gonna take some time. You know how it is.
I hope it doesn't take too much time.
Yeah, you ain't lying.
I want you to play crazy fast.
Lawson came away with it. Here's Gallinari on a spin and stuffs his first basket.
Keep the pace fast. Find the open man.
As you said that right on cue, he takes off.
We can be more aggressive going to the basket offensively. Get the ball moving, keep our bodies moving.
You gotta shoot. All right, we're passing up and we're hesitating. Be ready and let it go. Okay, be ready and let it go.
As Wallace gets his first points as a Blazer.
Do not take a foot off the pedal in terms of activity.
Battier.
Movement, motion, quick play, good spacing, smart basketball. When you're driving to the rim, you got to go strong. Strong.
Oh, Amari finds Carmelo.
Let's just gather ourselves, okay? They're making a run.
Anthony looks, Phillips at 3, and the lead! Knicks are on their way in this new era of Knick basketball.